Hello guys, my name is Engineer Lidio. Want to find the end of the word of the sequence 5, 5, 35, 65, and 275. This one is not too regular like that. It's not even too it's not regular because we cannot have 5 as first term, have 5 as second term, now have 35. Okay, what we are going to do here, simply when you see question like this, especially when two terms are the same, is to use this formula but with the trial and error method. X is by n plus or minus y is by n. Now, where x and y are to be found, this one is the n term. Now, let us start with the positive because this one have positive sign. And they are two the same thing. But let's start with the plus sign. If you start with plus sign, u1 becomes what? What will u1 become? That the first term. This is first term, second, this third term, this fourth term, and this fifth term. So u1 now be what? S is by 1 plus, that means you do n equal to 1, then plus y is by 1 equal to what is our first term? 5. Equation 1. Let's put u2 is 1 be what? 2 here, s square plus what? Y square equal to cu2 is 5. Equation 2. Now what we want to do now is we now what? Let's make y the subject of form or s the subject of formula. S becomes what? From 2. From 1, let's make s from 1. Make what? What? X the subject of formula. Subject of formula. So what do we do now? We want to have what? 5 minus y. Then which is equation 3. And let's substitute it into equation 2. What do we have? We have 5 minus y all whole square plus y square equal to 5. So what do we have now? If you open the bracket, we would have 25. You square this one. Then 5 times minus y times 2 is what? Minus 10y plus y square. Plus y square equal to what? 5. So what do we have now? We would have as what? Y square times plus y square is 2y square minus 10y square. Then this one, if you bring this one here, we would have what? Minus 20 equal to 7. So in that case, let me divide both sides by 2. I want to have what? Y square minus 10 minus 5y minus what? 10 equal to 0. This minus, let me see, this what? 2y, then this plus. So plus 10y. Now, if you just check whether this question is solvable, b squared minus 4ac, let's text with this discriminant to know the kind of nature of quadratic we are having. Square minus 4, so back a is 1, c is what? This c, this b, and this a. A is 1. So I would have what? 10. What would have 25 minus 40. That means this equation will lead us to complex number. So that our trial for first one will not work. Let's go with second one. It will give us negative sign. And if you solve using quadratic formula, you still go to have a what? A real number or a complex number as your answer. Now let's solve with what? Un equals to what? Xn minus y is by n. Let's use second trial. I believe this one should work. So what I want to do now is u1 equals to what? X1 minus y1 is equals to 5. That means first term. We are taking 5. First term u1. Anyway, cm1. Then the second term will now be what? u2 equal to what? X2 minus y2 equal to 5. We don't need to waste time there because we have done first one. We have seen how we did. Let's make y the subject of formula then. X the subject of formula. S equal to what? 5 plus y is 1, is equation 2, and there is 3. Now let's put it inside 1. I want to have what? Substitute this one here. I want to have what? 5 plus y all square minus y square. No, I want to put it here. So y square equal to what? 5. So what do we do now? We open the bracket. 5 square is what? 25. 5 times y times 2. What do we have? Plus 10y. Then square y. Square the y. We have y square minus y square equal to 5. So I think something can eliminate something here, which is y square can eliminate this one. So I have 25 plus what? 10y equal to 5. Let us make what? 10y be on its own. So what we're going to have is this. I'm going to have what? 10y equals to what? 5 minus 25, which will give us what? 10y equal to what? Minus 20. The Bible says by what? 10. To let y be alone. So y equal to what? Minus 2. So if y is equal to minus 2, what do we have? Substitute into 3. Put what? Y equal to minus 2 into what? 3, equation 3. So what do we have now? I want to have what? Y or x is equal to, class, don't forget this is our x, equal to what? Y plus minus 2. And 5 plus minus 2 is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So our un equal to what? 3 raised by n minus 2 raised by n. That's our un now. Now let us test it. This one I've got in our answer. Let's see. When n was 1, when n is equal to 1, u1, when n is equal to 1 is what? Let's test. 3 raised by 1 minus 2 raised by 1. What do you have? This one gives us 3 minus 2. Minus 2 raised by 1 is minus 2. It gives us 5. Yes? Let's find u2 when n equal to 2. That will give us 3 raised by 2 minus 2 raised by 2. So what do we have there, class? 3 raised by 2 is simply 9. Minus 2 raised by 2 is simply what? Minus 2 times minus 2. And that will give us plus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Let's test the third term. The third term is when n equals to 3. N equals to 3. Let's do that. So 3 raised by 3 minus 2 raised by what? 3. Now this one will give us 27 minus 3 raised by minus 2 raised by 3 is simply minus 8. Minus times minus is plus, and that will give us 35. I think that one is correct. Let's test the last one. U4. What? 3 raised by 4 minus what? Minus 2 raised by 4. What do we have? 3 raised by 4 is 81. Then 81 minus what? Minus 2 raised by 4 is 16. So 81 minus 16 will give us what? 35. 81 minus 16 will give us what? 65. So that one is also correct. I think this is what valid as the end term for this question. What I will give you as an assignment is what? Ensure you solve and what? And submit to us. On just send your question to us or the answer to us on the comment section. So find the what? This is an assignment. The n10 of the sequence 0, 7, 26, 63, and 124. So these are the what? This is a question given to us. Try it. And if you are after trying it, please watch the next video to see whether your answer is correct. This is an irregular sequence. Watch the next video to see whether what you actually solve is the right answer. My name is Engineer Holiday. Some people call me the shortcut master. Please ensure you subscribe and click the notification button to you'll be the first person to get our video when we post it on this channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.